Here I have LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first let's turn device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it completely turns off, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. When the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the appeared menu with this robot, hold down volume up and press power key once. Okay, maybe on the contrary, hold down power key and press volume up once. Okay, now it works. So here you should use volume down to navigate and volume up to select, and select an option wipe cache partition. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.